Yeah, hi everyone. Good afternoon. Today we are checking how to do GitHub multi-account setup. Okay, basically first understand what is GitHub multi-account setup. So what happens if you are working in GitHub, like there will be two repositories. Okay, first repository it might be your own repository, and another repository might be belong to other organization. Means it might be a corporate or it might be and another like a private repository which is given for you for some requirement. Okay, so in that case what we need to do, we need to do certain setup in order to like make GitHub profile work efficiently for both applications. Okay, whether it is a personal or whether it is a private. So in this particular session, like we will check how to do that. Okay, so basically we and our team made these steps. Okay, and there are 13 steps. Like each steps we need to follow with respect to personal account and also with respect to your private account. Okay, so let's check how to do that. So what I need to do first now, go to your command prompt and check whether git is installed in your PC or not. Okay, just give git. Okay, it will show all the commands. Okay, all the basics command which is available in particular platform, means in this particular git application. Okay, so once this is confirmed, so what you need to do, the next step, see where you have installed git. For example, in my PC, like I have installed in C drive. Okay, as I have installed in C drive, so what I need to do, go to the users directory, means users folder inside your C drive, and go to your profile. Okay, inside profile create a folder. Okay, create a folder with the name .ss. Okay, once you create the folder, it will be coming like this. Okay, so for time being, what I'll do is, like whatever the SSH key what I have here, I will remove this. Okay, and I will create another sorts of keys. Okay, so I will give a new folder. Okay, the folder name is .ssh. Okay, and go inside the folder, open the command prompt. Okay, just press cmd. Once you press the cmd, okay, either you can do with this particular command prompt or like you can open in your code editor. Okay, so in my case I open Visual Studio Code. Okay, code dot, yeah, it will open the code editor. Okay, so let's see what is our next step. Okay, like what we have done, we have finished the step 1 and we have created the directory called .ss. Okay, so next step what we have, next step we need to add the keygen. Okay, so basically ssh keygens with respect to your GitHub registered email ID and the username of your repository. Okay, so what I will do now, okay, so I will take this command. Okay, don't worry, all this command will be mentioned in the description. Okay, so I will copy this, and we have opened Visual Studio, right? So from there I will open the terminal. Okay, remember guys, okay, you need to create all these keygens inside .ssh only. Okay, so I will open the terminal. Okay, like how to open the terminal, there will be certain dots. Okay, there is a if you click second dots, you can open the terminal. Similarly, you can go here and click the new terminal. Okay, so our terminal is opened, and paste this command. Okay, basically this command is helpful for you to create the keygens. Okay, so let's see, let's create a keygen. Okay, so first I will if you see, this is my corporate account. Okay, this is not my personal account. So what I'm going to do, like for corporate account, like I gave corporate email ID. For personal account, similarly we need to give the personal email ID. Okay, so what is my username? So we have the username, GitHub username of my corporate account is cdc nandan. Okay, means this is our internal purpose, just I have given like this, but it might be different according to your organization. Okay, so now I am adding the keygen. Okay, so it is generating public key and private key. See, this is completely your requirement. Okay, like if you want to passphrase, okay, like if you want to give your own passphrase, like you can give, or else my recommendation is to keep it as empty. Okay, so press same. If you see here, like public key and private key is installed, I mean generated by our keygen. Okay, so now what we have done, now we have finished the step number 2. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to do the same steps for my personal account. Okay, means whatever the personal account we are using for our own purpose, right? We need to use that particular email ID and its username. Okay, so here what I do, let me remove this. Okay, so what I will do, like I will give personal wala email ID ka link, means personal GitHub repository ka email ID and its username. Okay, what is like I will give our username. Okay, means personal repository ka. Okay, just press enter. Similarly press enter also, like it will create a passphrase. I mean it will create the keygen. Okay, so if we see, there are two keygens generated. One keygen collection of private key and public key for corporate, and another keygen for personal. Okay, so like how much we have done, like if we see here, like we have finished till step 3. Okay, so here like what we need to do, there is a command. Okay, ssh-add profile name. So whatever the keygens we have generated here, okay, whatever the keygens we have generated, means cdc nandan and cdc like the curious team, means this is corporate and this is personal. Okay, so we need to add this particular keygen inside our SSH. Okay, inside our SSH portal. So to do that, okay, first I will list out. Okay, so I forgotten the command, so how to list the SSH keys. Okay, so yeah, so the command is ssh-add -l. Okay, so ssh-add-l, sorry. Okay, so just execute this command inside here. It will list out all the keygens which is available. Okay, so what I need to do, like I need to since I have some keygens which is available previously, I need to delete that. Okay, so to delete the keygens, like we have the command. Okay, so yeah, let's open the Stack Overflow. I forgotten that. So yeah, so this is the command basically we will use to like delete the SSH keys. Okay, which is pre-configured. So like see, like if you execute this command, all our SSH keys are deleted. Okay, so what I need to do now, like I need to add add the SSH keys. Okay, so how to add that? This is the command. Okay, so this is the command we need to execute. Okay, profile file name we have. Okay, so for profile file name, like first I will give my personal ID, personal username of Git. Okay, so the curious team. Okay, and press enter. Once you do that, it will add the SSH key. See, if we observe here, identity added the curious team. Similarly, I will do the same for our corporate account. Means your corporate email ID, your corporate GitHub repository ka username. Okay, cdc nandan. So both keys are added. Let us verify again with this command. Okay, it will list all the SSH keys which is available. So see here, these two SSH keys are available. Fine. So next step, what we need to do? Okay, next step, like we have completed till here. Okay, sometimes what happens na, sometimes if you try to execute this you need to start the SSH agent. Okay, like sometimes if you execute this command, it will throw like your particular SSH is not listening to the port number. Okay, at that particular time, what you need to do, okay, you just need to, in Windows I'm telling, in Windows you need to type services. Okay, sorry for, okay, here type services. Once you type the services, there will be a service name called OpenSSL Authentication Service. Okay, you need to go there, you need to find it and you need to go there. Okay, so where it is, like MNOP, right? Yeah, here if we see, like we have open SSH authentication agent. So what you need to do, by default it will be in disabled. So by clicking like automatic and delayed, okay, you just you can give automatic only. Okay, so give automatic, okay, and apply it and start the services. Okay, give automatic, apply it and start the services. Okay, so once you start the services, okay, open git bash. Okay, so like we are establishing the connection between our SSH, using SSH we are establishing the connection between our PC credentials and also our like personal and corporate GitHub repository credentials. We are actually establishing the connection. Okay, to do that, let's start the agent. Okay, so this is the command to start the agent. Like just paste this command and hit enter. Okay, so it will show. Okay, it will show like your SSH agent is listening at port number 261 or any other port. So once it is done, just minimize this. Okay, and we can create a config file. So basically your particular SSH considers this config file. Okay, and it will take the keys from here. Okay, so what I'll do, like from where we created this .ssh, there you need to create a file called config. Okay, there is no extensions for this. Okay, so like dot key or dot pub, anything that should not contain anything. Okay, so you should just give the word called config and press enter. So whatever the list we have provided here, okay, just copy this, okay, and paste it here, okay, inside this config. Once you do this, you need to do certain changes here inside this config file. Okay, what changes is, one is corporate ID wala, like a corporate user ID you need to give, means the corporate username of your GitHub repository, and personal username of your GitHub repository. Okay, means here also you need to give, here also you need to give. Got it? So what I'm considering here, so for corporate I will give my corporate wala. Okay, CDC Nandan. Copy this and paste it here also. What is our personal? The curious team. This is my personal, the curious team. Okay, and similarly copy this and paste it here and give Control S. Okay, so it will automatically consider the like a naming convention and spaces, everything. Okay, so actually it should not do that. Yeah, fine. This is corporate. We have created the config file of corporate and also for personal. Okay, once it is done, let's see what is the next step. So once you have finished this, okay, so you need to add these particular keys what you have generated inside your GitHub repository. So let's add a step by step. Okay, so here I will only show since both steps are same, I will only show for our personal ID. Okay, corporate may also you need to do the same step. Okay, so here like this is my personal account, and we have another account here like this is my corporate account. Okay, so like in personal account, what I need to do, I need to go to our profile. There is a setting. Okay, go inside the settings. Okay, here just if you scroll down here, you will find an option called SSH and GPH keys. Click on this SSH and GPH key, and you like I will delete the previous key. It's not useful as of now. So if you see this one SSH GPH keys, you need to give new. Okay, and give the key name, any name. Okay, it is user defined. I will give the curious team. Okay, or you can give anything. Okay, and paste your corporate personal wala or corporate wala like public key. Okay, so paste it here. Okay, see here email ID is also coming. Authentication type you keep it default and give add SSH. Okay, here it is asking for passkey. I will just give my fingerprint here. Okay, so now see like our SSH keys are added. Okay, so now next step what we need to do, similar step you need to do it for your personal also. So what I will do, I will go here and I will copy the personal. Okay, and in my incognito mode I have opened that one personal wala. Similarly go to settings. Okay, and go to like here SSH and GPH keys, new key. I will give CDC Nandan. Okay, and paste that key here and give add SSH. Got it? So I hope like this much is clear. Okay, so you will add personal key belongs to personal repositories, and personal GitHub profile, and private key is to private repository, means private GitHub profile. Okay, after this what we need to do, once you have done till here, and you can start cloning the project. Okay, so to clone the project, what you need to do is you need to maintain certain steps. Okay, So like I will just show you in general now. Okay, so here somewhere like I will create one folder, like a temporary folder. Okay, so I will give like web dev. Okay, inside that what I will do, I will open cmd. Okay, and I will try to clone the project. Okay, so basically, okay, like where you will get this command is like you might know how to clone the project, right? So I will show you now. Like here I will consider our one of the product which we are building. So this is mentors and mentees connect. Okay, in this project, if you there is a green button and with the name called code, you need to click this. Instead of https, you need to give ssh, because we are doing ssh based authentication. Okay, so once you're done, where we are cloning, so we are cloning inside here, right? So just paste this, just paste your ssh key. Here you need to remove certain things. Okay, instead of github.com, okay, you add your like username. Okay, so I will give the curious team. Okay, and if you give this, like sorry I forgotten to add git clone. Okay, so git clone, just press enter. At first time it will ask for fingerprint. Okay, ssh fingerprint it will ask. Okay, so you give yes. Okay, so see, if we observe here, our like particular keys are using ssh key, it has clone. Similarly, you need to do these things. Okay, so if you see I have like you can clone your corporate account also, like you can clone your personal account also. Okay, clone with personal account and clone with corporate account also. Okay, so but only change what you need to consider is this one, the curious team. Okay, here I gave our personal wala GitHub user ID, but like in your case it might be some other username. Okay, same steps you need to follow for your private account also. Okay, instead of the curious team, okay, like I will give cdc. Okay, cdc nandan, the corporate account. Okay, like hit enter, it will clone with the same step. I hope whatever we just discussed in this call, it's clear to you. Like feel free to like add your comments in the comment section, and if you have any doubts or any support required as a community, and if you are willing to explore the product building, okay, so do join our curious developers community. We have 25,000 plus people all over the stream, and we have a good developers community that you will learn a lot by joining our community. And we are also building an inspiration app, okay, to connect mentors and mentees, also organization. Okay, so still lots of things coming going forward, so stay tuned. Thank you, thanks a lot.